course, Pastor Gary Galvez. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga magigiting, malalakas, hindi matampuhin na mga pastor. Okay. Walang matampuhin dito mga pastor. Talagang matitigas ang puso. Kinakalaban, iniiwan, pero nagsatagumpay at nagpapatuloy. Tinatarpulin yan for next 2020. This is our admin people, just in case you don't know. I'm the admin head of Life Giver Church. Together with J.M. Go, Saki Kanya, si Ate March wala dito na ba? Alam nyo, namamaga yung paanan, pero nandito yan. Tita Belen, of course, and Leandro andyan. Right? Also, si Erwin, wala kasing picture, pero si Erwin nandyan na yun sa palipaligad. Kung gusto nyo, huwag nyo po silang sungitan, mag-hi po kayo, mahalin natin ang admin kasi grabe mag-overtime yan tuwing may mga satellite kayo sa gabi. At talagang wala silang pay, overtime. We don't have overtime pay here, but we only have OT thank you. So please be kind to all our admin staff. Medyo masungit lang minsan, lalo pag walang pagkain, pero mababait po yan. And of course, we have our drivers,